Want to add the background of your video in Adobe Premiere Rush? It's super easy and I'll guide you through it. First, open your project in Premiere Rush. If you are working with a video that does not have a solid background, click on Media and import the image or video you want to use as your background. Next, drag your background file into the timeline. Place it at the start of your video and adjust the duration to match the length of your clip. You can also adjust the position of the background video by using the transform tool if you want to fit it perfectly behind your subject. Let me know in the comments if you have added a cool background to your project. Now you have got a custom background. Feel free to tweak it further and add effects to make your project stand out. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.